Hi, in this video we're going to do the unboxing and review of this Black+Decker 2-in-1 cordless vacuum stick. Model is HSV420J42. I bought it from Amazon for $120 Canadian, $100 US. We're going to test it and see how it works. It has the highest rating in terms of Amazon rating. Let's open it and see. These are accessory brushes. We have the power adapter, the charger, this is for the release of this. Interesting. A lot of suction. Very nice. I like it. Battery is in here because when you remove it, this is operating, and when you connect it, these contacts will come into contact with that piece. And when you connect the charger at this point, this will start charging. There are two contacts here for this piece. Let me insert this piece into this. You just hold it and push it and it will snap. To remove it, hold this piece, hold this button and pull it out. Out here, push this down as much as you can. And once you insert it, you will see the hole here. You can use a flat screwdriver to tighten it. To remove this, just remove this. And here we have a filter. Remove it like this and empty it. Put it back. To insert it, put this side first and then snap it. Solid build, nice. I'm gonna test it and then charge it and use it, and I will update you. So this piece was actually two pieces. If you want to suck something specific with this one, insert it here. If you need brush, then insert the brush here and it will work together. Plug it into the wall to charge. It has 4 LEDs. It shows the level of charge. Now it's only one full. Once the second will be full, then you will have 2 solid, and then the 2 last will blink, and the same way the last one with 1 LED will blink. Let me disconnect the charge cable. When you turn it on, the brush also will turn on. So you can turn off the brush. If you have carpet, then you can turn on the brush. Otherwise, just turn it off. So let me turn this on. The brush is now running. And now let's turn off the brush. The brush is now stopped. And only seconds. From time to time this will get dirty. As you can see, this has been already cleaned, but to clean this brush, just pull this out and remove the brush, and from here you can use a flat screwdriver going between each and remove any hair or something that is stuck there. And once you're done, insert it back and then snap this in. Thank you for watching. If you learned something and found this useful, please thumb up, as this will help my video in the search algorithm of YouTube. If you have comment or question, please post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. And don't forget to subscribe so you get updates of my upcoming videos.